It's not uncommon. In fact, it's very common. For a lot of our clients at the scene with the adrenaline going, they think they're going to be okay. And, human nature, we all say, I'll feel better in the morning. Let me sleep it off. Let me see how I feel in the morning. I'll take a couple of Advil and I'll see how I am in the morning. Well, it's like when you exercise for the first time and you haven't exercised in 2 years. The next day sometimes is a lot worse than that day. And a lot of our clients wake up the next day and they are hurting. They can't move. They have pain. They don't know what to do. So what do? Well, you can go to an urgent care. You can go to an emergency room. You can call your own doctor. But it's critical. Get care. Get it as soon as you can. Under Florida law, we have what's called NoFault law. And a lot of our clients, they say to me, I don't understand. I wasn't at fault. Why do I have to go through my own auto insurance? And that's a perfectly valid question, and it makes a lot of sense. And it is confusing, but in Florida, we have what's called NoFault. So what that means is, regardless of whether or not you're at fault, for instance, I used the sitting at a red light for 30 seconds, minding your own business, and the car comes and hits you from behind. Clearly, you're not at fault. Doesn't matter. The first $10,000 in your medical treatment from the auto accident comes from your own insurance company. They're not going to adjust your rate. They're not going to, drop you. That's just the way the law is. So even if you're not at fault, the first $10,000 in medical care comes from your own insurance company. And don't be afraid to use it. There's a lot of primary care physicians. In fact, in my experience, the majority of primary care physicians, they don't want anything to do with treating auto accident victims. So if you've been in an auto crash, don't count on your primary care physician giving you treatment. They don't want anything to do with it. So my suggestion, give us a call. This is what we do. We'll help you make sure that you get the medical treatment that you need, which is first and foremost. And then we'll take care of the legal process. You're going to have your cars damaged. What do you do about your car? How do you get that fixed? How do you get that replaced? How do I apply for what we call PIP benefits? That's the NoFault personal injury protection benefits. How do I do that? What's the cap? Who do I go to? How do I get the care that I need? What if I need long-term treatment? What if I need more than $10,000 in care? What do I do? What if I'm not getting any better? What if I'm getting worse? I need to go get to see a specialist. What do I do if I need long-term treatment? If I have to see a specialist? How do I make a claim? How do I make what's called a bodily injury claim? Well, those are all very good questions, and that's what we've been helping people with for almost 25 years. Myself, Mr. Gallagher, Mr. Hall. We have a team here. We have intake team. We have investigators. We have medical care experts. We have case managers, paralegals, legal assistants. We also litigate, which means we actually can file the lawsuit ourselves, take it to court, and go to trial. We do all that ourselves. We do that in-house. I'm actually a board certified trial lawyer. I've had well over 100 jury trials. I've picked a jury on probably 150 cases. I'm in court all the time. Pre-COVID, obviously, a lot more than now. But speaking of COVID, we're able to do everything remotely. We have Zoom capability. We can take your statements by Zoom. We can do it electronically. We can sign people up electronically. We can have conferences by Zoom. We can have them in office. We can do depositions where that's a sworn statement of the different witnesses. We can do that by Zoom as well. We can have motions before the court by Zoom. We can have people testify in court by Zoom and hopefully in person. But we have the capability to do all that. And at Gallagher Hagopian, even with the pandemic, we really haven't skipped a beat. We've been able to keep our practice going, keep our employees safe, keep our clients safe, and keep protecting the rights of, people that have been injured through no fault of their own and the negligence of others. So I'd respectfully suggest that if you or a loved one has been injured or hurt by an accident, give us a call at Gallagher Hagopian or look us up on our website at hurtbyaccident.com. We've had a lot of really good results here locally. We've been doing this, like I said, for almost 25 years. I'd invite you to take a look at our website, hurtbyaccident.com. You can see all the different results that we've had, different areas, auto accidents, motorcycle accidents, fires, slip and falls, insurance coverage issues. We've done it all. We do everything in-house. We litigate our own cases. We try our own cases. We're not afraid to go to trial. We've had numerous jury trials. So give us a call if you need help. We're here to help you, give you advice. Feel free to give us a call at 1-888-280-HURT or look us up on our website at hurtbyaccident.com.